Alright, here's our dooring video of improvements. Nice brand new floors, look very nice. Nice new floors throughout. Just got to get carpet in the bedrooms, but the rest of the house has brand new floors. Didn't get the countertops on yet, but brand new counters. Oh, excuse me, brand new cabinets on the bottom. Again, nice new floors. Brand new water heater, Rheem. Brand new water heater, more efficient. More new cabinets. Those aren't damaged down on the bottom. Those are plastic protective pieces that come off, so they don't get dinged when the appliances are putting in the countertops. There's that. And the microwave. And those are the original white upper cabinets, but they're still perfect. So we just needed to replace all brand new bottom cabinets, and we did. And all the appliances will go back. Nice new paint. Yeah, looks nice little, I guess, called backsplash back there for your storage for pantry area. And the house, the last tenants painted the house all crazy colors with glossy paint. And it took 3 coats of paint to get this done. Just doing one more repair by the window. Nice shiny ceilings, nice paint. Again, all brand new floors. Nice bone paint. Looks good with the floors. Got brand new roof put on, brand new windows put on, and so those are all brand new windows. And the dining room. Oh, nice shiny white ceilings. Nice bone paint. It's going to look very nice when it's all done. These are the rooms that will require carpet. These will be bedrooms. So, nice new paint. The windows. That'll get brand new carpet. Master bedroom. Looks nice. Nice and clean and new. And again, it'll get carpet. The second largest bedroom. Good for an older child. Nice new paint. Backyard. Definitely going to clean up that backyard, make it look nice. And again, with new carpet. Brand new vanity in the bathroom, because the last one was damaged. So this is a nice new flooring in the bathroom. Of course, it'll have to be swept and mopped and cleaned and stuff, but we're under construction, so. There we go. We had a brand new tub put in not too long ago. And you can see the nice paint. So that's that. Cover these lights. This light. And that's basically it. So once we get the nice new countertops and everything else, it'll look like $1 million. Nice shiny ceilings. And that's it. And then we'll get our fireplace cleaned up and get that going again. There's chimney medic stroke. So nice brand new door. We're getting there. Somebody will have a nice house to live in. So it'll be nice when the kitchen's all done with new countertops too. That'll look good. All right, and that's it.